I was supposed to do. Left all my pride inside my pocket and put my all on you. Lean what I need. Gun is right behind me. Make sure that I'm faded gone. Why you hide me?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy IEnVyTae. We back with it again with another. Hold on, let me pause this. We back again with another banger, man. Today we gonna be watching Sexyy Red, It Sexyy. We good. But yeah, hope y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want more bangers, man. And turn on post notification so you can get notified every time I drop another video like this. But let's get into the video.
It's your boy Soulja Boy Teller, man. Man, I was the first rapper to have Sexyy Red before she was Sexyy Red, man.
Bitch, you seen this on TV?
I wrote Pound Town, man. Y'all don't know that?
That nigga.
No, it look like he coming out the screen. Right? I think it's like no, it look like he coming out the screen.
Now locked in.
I ain't gonna hold on. Let me turn that motherfucker on. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I was waiting for this to come out. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I was waiting on it to come out.
Big Soulja right here, man. Big Soulja, is that you? Big Soulja. Hold on, Big Soulja, is that you?
Let's go.
Damn, that shit tight, son. Know what I mean? These be big. Yeah, these. Okay, period. Yo!
I ain't gonna lie. If anybody say this song ass, you hating, my nigga. They be having the females jumping and the niggas jumping. Okay, nigga. But I seen you had Aiden Ross, Soulja Boy, and Wild 49. That's what I seen. The big t-shirts is crazy. Oh yeah, I was seeing this nigga Aiden Ross. He was having sex with a pie. A pie. It's crazy.
Sexy.
If you say you wouldn't want a piece, no, I ain't gonna say a piece. I ain't gonna say that. That sounds like some pervert shit. I ain't gonna lie. But if you say you wouldn't with Sexyy Red, my nigga, you lying, my nigga. Every hood nigga will fuck that's a every hood nigga dream. You feel me? Oh yeah, Drake. I forgot about Drake.
What hour did you say? There you go.
I ain't gonna lie, Drake the type of nigga, he'll walk in the corner store with like, he'd get one thing. He'd get like a bottle of Arizona. He'd come in that bitch with hundreds. He'd come in that bitch like, all right, let me get that. She'd be like, $1. He in that bitch. And put out 50, give you that bitch. And be like, keep the change and walk out. That's what I think Drake is.
I mean, yeah, that's red. I'll take wood.
That KK, yeah, I need a little, yeah, nigga.
That's what you like?
Huh?
That's what you like?
I'm here with you.
I mean, you looking at her like that's what you like.
No, don't start. Please, don't start.
You know what? It's other niggas in here anyway.
What?
Big sexy blood, love the hoes, bounce that ass, touch some time. Booty shorts, coochie swole, don't all up my booty out. Niggas see this damn fool, trust a nigga.
What the fuck? That look like a nigga from, when I just paused it look like a big back ass nigga, I ain't gonna lie. But you see how she just snapped? Hold on, let me go back. Oh, that was her.
Big sexy blood, love the hoes, bounce that ass, touch some time. Booty shorts, coochie swole, don't all up my booty out. Niggas see this damn
crazy. If you ever did this, you sick, man. Sick. Okay.
Catch me sliding in the Benz. I ain't looking for no man. I ain't recruiting no new friends. When we back, there were bands. I'm sexy, do your dance.
This is what we doing, bro. A pie.
It's Sexyy Red, bro.
This is not Sexyy Red.
Like, that's the shit. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I'm glad she put the song out before the video, cause the video made the song 10 times. I see why this motherfucker number one, nigga. Get it said. Yeah, I see why this little motherfucker number one. You feel me? And if this official video not trending number one, I think it is, but I don't know. I ain't look at it. I just, feel me? You feel me? But if that bitch ain't number one, hey, something wrong with the algorithm. But yeah, you know I had to react to Big Sexy. Shout out to Sexyy Red. Fuck with this. I fuck with it. A lot of motherfuckers need to put creativity in their music video. Motherfuckers don't put creativity in their music video. They just do some dry shit and upload that motherfucker. No, put some creativity, nigga. That's why I'm gonna react to some the baby. The baby be having that creativity in this music video. But if you want to see more videos like this, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification, man, so you can get notified every time I drop another banger like this. I don't just react to music videos. I do skits. I don't do skits. I react to skits. You feel me? I don't react to albums. I ain't gonna lie. I don't be feeling. I listen to the album, but you feel me? I don't feel like, you feel me? Don't sit here and listen to like that bitch be like, I probably have to do like parts.
My seat back, we undercover. I don't need no trace.
I rather do the music video, some of the songs, you feel me? But yeah, it's your boy IEnVyTae, and we out with another banger, man. Peace.
But I thank you for your daughter. I don't pop no fucking pills, but I can do you like I'm on them. These pants cost a fortune, I got dirty soda on them. I'm feeling like a raptor, I got